Welcome to Flash Tutorials. Today we will learn how to add animated shadow to our character. Here are the tools and methods we're gonna be using. Copy the animation layer and paste it in another layer, that will be the shadow layer. Hide and lock the animation layer. Click on the Edit Multiple Frames icon at the bottom of the timeline. Select all the frames. In the Properties panel, change the fill color to something gray. Use the pencil tool to draw a line that will separate the shadow from the base color. Do this for all the frames. Then select the shape which falls in the source of lighting, and delete. After doing this, select the entire shape and remove the stroke. What remains is the shape of the shadow. This is not yet the shadow. What I will do next is to convert this layer into a symbol. This is done by right-clicking on the layer to copy that layer. Then in the main menu, I'll choose Insert New Symbol, name it Shadow and select Movie Clip as the type of symbol. Inside the symbol's timeline, I will right-click on the layer and choose Paste Layer. Then go back to the main timeline, create a new layer, and drag the new symbol into the stage. Select the shadow symbol, and in the Properties panel, set its display property to multiply. Delete the layer of the original shadow shape, as it is no longer needed. Click the keys Ctrl and Enter to play the animation.